my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so this is our first time ever doing like a pool. A little highway pool, nothing major. I'm just really out here trying to tune, but this is the first time we done been on the actual interstate. I came down, brought it around. Gotta get them niggas some room. What you do? Trying to hit this bitch all in my way, bro. God damn. Fuck it, we cruising, nigga. This motherfucker playing right here. Fuck out my way, nigga. This fucking congestion, nigga. We out here. We really out here like that. That speedometer's off like a motherfucker. Gotta be. See? Too close, sir. Back the fuck up. Perfect. You trying to get over? Come on. I'm trying to go that way. Don't get intimidated, sir. Stay on the road. It's just a little 4.8. That's a little 4.8, that's it. Built by me, nigga. Ah! Little 4.8 built by yours truly. I started going to take that bitch KILLEEN out like, nah, let me go and bring my ass home, but I was trying to get some tuning and shit done, trying to make sure I got these motherfucking numbers right. And she kind of leaning out a little bit, going to add some fuel, going to add some more fire. Yeah, see that front, I'm gonna have to address that. I feel that hoe like dancing and rubbing on the tire and shit. Once you get to rolling and shit, they just paved this motherfucking road. We just really out here like that though, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck it, all gas, no brakes, nigga. Woo! Alright, I'm done. I'm really out here like that though. Like that nigga Mo3 say. Definitely gonna have to, you know, make sure we get that motherfucking suspension and steering and right, shit right and right. But after that, nigga, ooh-wee. Get small then, baby, get small. Back there like, what the fuck is that? It's a rocket, bitch. It's a motherfucking rocket ship, ho. Oh shit! No, not this one. That bitch bad. That bitch probably would've fucked my shit off, but they fixing the road, so. I just need to see what that motherfucker be like. She good though. She doing her fucking thing. There's a couple spots. There's a couple spots down low where, you know, she could use some addressing and shit. But yo, for the most part, like I said, she really out here like that though. She really she really out here like that though. They should have never gave you niggas a 6-0. They should have never gave you niggas a 6-0. Never. I think that was my neighbor back there in that Challenger. I think it was him. We gonna find out. We'll get ready to park at the house. He gonna back his shit in. I'm gonna back my shit in because I'm really out here like that though. So we met our maker right here. That one time, y'all remember when we was out here really stuck like that? We out here. Thought my neighbor was out there. Let me see if that motherfucker gonna turn in this street. Nah, he going straight. Boom, boom, nigga. Like, oh my God, what is that sound? That's that grown man coming down this bitch. Hide your kids. Hide your kids. Hide your wife, nigga. Hide your kids, hide your wife, nigga. I was gonna back that bitch in. I ain't gonna back. If that would have been my neighbor, I would have backed that bitch in. I'd be like, yeah, a little Challenger. I'm really out here like that. Well, that was fun.